Hello and welcome back. We're working on a 2006 Dodge Charger today. Now this is for the rear lock on the trunk. Now for some strange reason there was a huge reaction inside the tumbler itself and I couldn't even insert the key. So I had to find a replacement lock cylinder, which there really isn't too many sources. I ended up finding one that was a little bit overpriced in my opinion, but it was actually worthy of being installed. Now, it was 60 bucks for just a cylinder, but it came with a key and it allowed me to actually get inside my trunk because I couldn't find one and I didn't want to go buy one from a junkyard and have the same issue I did with this one. So what I did was I removed the plastic shield, and inside here we actually took off the actual retainer clip that holds in the cylinder. But unfortunately mine was actually frozen solid in there. There was no way I was getting this out without actually kind of like chiseling away at it and tapping it, which is unfortunate because this panel is very thin and we don't want to warp it. Now, this is not going to be the same case for everyone else. It could actually pop out just for you. Very fairly simple. As you can see here, mine is completely corroded and there was no way of saving this or even unfreezing it. Now, what you do want to do is save that actual piece of metal that allows you to bracket between the cylinder and the release lever on that area where it latches. Now, I recommend assembling this on the floor or on a table or something like that, and you can put the old pieces you need from the old lock onto the new cylinder. Once that's done, we can put the plastic shield back on. Now, you can reuse your old retainers, but I actually had a kit, so I just put in new ones, and this allowed me to put that in without any problems, get that tab through there for the safety release, and you're all set. Alright, remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I kept it nice and short so you guys can do the same to replace your tumbler.